Hey guys, it's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the June 2018 Sephora Play box. If you don't already know, Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription from Sephora. They send you 5 beauty items a month and it is probably the best subscription box that I own. Granted, I only get 2 subscription boxes, but this has so far been my favorite. I don't know if you guys can know, but my nose is really swollen. I got hit in the face at work. Well, I got hit in the nose at work about 3 days ago, and my nose has been super swollen and in a lot of pain. I haven't even been able to put on makeup. This is the first day I'm putting on makeup because this whole area is just so sensitive and it's bruised really bad. Luckily, it's not broken, so that's good. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the box. Sounds good. Okay, so when you first open the box, I already opened the tab, but I didn't look inside. What? How do you open this thing? Okay, here we go. So when you open it up, it looks like this. There's always a pamphlet on top with 50 extra Sephora Beauty Insider points. So you could use them for like little lipsticks and stuff like that. I've actually been saving these up and I have about 500 Beauty Insider points right now. I can't wait to redeem them. And this will also tell you like the theme of this month's bag. So we're not going to look at it now. Ooh! I really like the bag already. It is so cute. It says, hot, hot, hot. This is totally a June bag, like a summer bag. Like compared to Ipsy's, this is totally a June vibe bag. I like it. So let's open it up. What is this? I think this is, ooh, okay. So I think this is the perfume sample. I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I see it all the time. I just have no idea how to pronounce it. Bavglari? I have no idea. Let's spray it. This reminds me of like a perfume that my mom would like. I'm actually going to give this to her because I feel like she would love this. This is in the scent Pink Sapphire. That's kind of cool. The perfume samples are actually like a bonus. So that's cool. Let's reach in and see what else we got. I see a big tube. Ooh, interesting. This is big for Sephora Play because usually the Sephora Play samples are like itty bitty. This is from Living Proof. This is their Nourishing Style Cream. Ooh, I want to put this in my hair right now, actually. This is awesome. So you put this in like your damp hair. This is good for me because I have super curly hair. So like when I don't straighten my hair, I'll put it in a braid and I'll use like a frizz cream. So I'm excited to try that. This is a big sample and it's definitely filled up to the top. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, okay. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off. I love shaking it. This is a pretty good size sample too. This is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. It is so important to take off your makeup every single day. Clinique has a great one. Lancome has a great one. I think that Clinique and Lancome have my 2 favorite high-end makeup removers. So that's cool. I like that. You can never have enough makeup removers. What is this? Oh, this is from the brand Murad. This is another like pretty expensive skincare brand. It is the nutrient charged water gel. Ooh, and I hope it's a big sample because I've been needing this. Oh, well, I mean that's decent. It's pink. It actually doesn't really have much of a smell. But I really did need a new moisturizer. Oh, it's so nice and like hydrating. I could feel it already. So this is for day and night use. That's really nice. I like trying new, face creams. So that's awesome. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got from Too Faced Melted Matte. I kind of knew that we were getting something from Too Faced this month. It's a pretty good size sample as well. Doesn't really smell. You've let me down, Too Faced. Most Too Faced products always smell. do a swatch. Oh, this is my shade. That is awesome. I love that. That is so me. And it's in the shade Queen Bee. All right. So far, so good. I think we have one more item in here. Let's see what it is. Interesting. We have Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Foundation Tint. What? Invisible Cover Foundation. Okay. So, a couple of months ago, we actually got a Makeup Forever foundation. Let's see if I can find it. Yes. So, a couple months ago, we got this one. This is weird. Why would they send... This was very, like, close in time, you know? Huh. I wonder what the difference is. Alright, so I'm going to open up my little thing, and it tells you everything that you got inside, which is really cool because it'll tell you about it. So I'm curious about what this is. It says it's a bestseller, a lightweight medium coverage foundation, hydrates skin for a flawless fresh face. So I guess it's just foundation. Yep, so that's everything that I got. The only thing I'm kind of like meh about is the foundation. But I'm definitely going to try it out because it's a good brand and it's an expensive brand, so it's good to try out foundations. But all together, I think this is a really good bag. Do I think it was better than Ipsy this month? I really don't know. I really don't know. I think that everything that I got in this bag is awesome, and I think that everything I got in my Ipsy is also awesome. I have no idea. They're both great. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before you go, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take the second to subscribe. It's free, and it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much again. And also, I'm thinking of doing a video soon, like a declutter video, and going through my makeup and throwing things out and stuff like that. Leave a comment below if you'd be interested in seeing me do a video like that. So, yeah, anyways, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!